Hi, this is John with Alarm Grid, and in this short video, I'm going to show you how to set and change the installer code on a PROA7PLUS and a PROA7 system by Resideo, also known as Honeywell. So I'm going to show you here how to reset the installer's code on a PROA7 or a PROA7PLUS system. The first thing you want to do is press the menu icon. That's this guy here, sometimes referred to as the hamburger because it looks a little like a hamburger. Now that brings up a selection of options. You've got favorites. You can get your devices this way, your Z-Wave management. Sensors is here. Cameras. This is asking me for a pin. I just want to show you where it is. As you'll see, it always brings us back to this front menu. Scenes are here for your Z-Wave scenes. And notice that you have to swipe to get to all of these menu items here. You can set your events here, calendar type events. I'm not going through and setting them. I just want you to see what's here and be familiar with this level of the menu. Now here's tools, which is one we want right now. And this is what we're going to use to reset our installer code. So once you've entered tools, you're going to have to put in the current installer code. The default installer code on this panel is 4112. That brings you here. This will allow you to see the system information. It'll allow you to run system tests. Something important that you want to do if you're doing this yourself, you want to be able to test your system, make sure it's doing what you think it's doing. Programming is here. Local alarm mode is here. You don't want, in case you're programming it locally, if we're taking it over remotely, that needs to be turned off. Don't do it. Wi-Fi touch enrollment, installer pin. So this is what we're after here, installer pin. This will show you there is an installer pin. This will show you what the current installer pin is. As you can see, it's 4112, the default. So to change that, you press here. That gives you this keypad, 4112. I'm just changing, I'm not really changing it. I'm going to change it to the code that it is now, 4112. And you get this little message that says your pin has successfully been changed. If you don't get that message, it hasn't been successfully changed. And then you just want to exit out till you get to the front screen. And that's how you change the installer code on a PROA7 system. If you have any questions, send us an email at support@alarmgrid.com, or you can head to our website, alarmgrid.com. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe and hit the bell icon for future notifications. I'm John with Alarm Grid, and have a good day.